The interesting thing about the world in this room is it's upside down. You look down to look above you. It's to do with this extraordinary reflection that's found within the oil. The thing about the oil is it's not like a mirror. The surface draws you in because you can't see it. You'll be arrested for pouring it down a drain. It's a total nightmare if you spill it. And yet I can make people talk about it in terms of beauty. So you challenge preconceptions of people's idea of what this material is. This one is the 10th incarnation, and it's been all over the world. It is a known piece of work, but every incarnation is different because what it does is it takes on the topology of a given site. Super exciting to be back at the Saatchi Gallery once more. There were never windows exposed before. It was always a flat wall for painting, but we felt we needed something to concentrate the reflection on and get a bit more light into the room. So I've reduced the space by half by putting this structure in, but the illusion is that you see twice as much. You realize you're dealing with the illusion of space and that there are no real true objects in here. You enter the corridor and it's yourself that becomes the object in the piece of work. You're surrounded by the illusion and you're the reality. It's quite an unnerving experience for a lot of the audience because they can't register what's actually going on. I think it's up to people to get whatever they can from it. Some people have even emailed me and said they've changed their career because of seeing this piece of work. I mean, it's quite extraordinary the way it is actually quite a moving piece of work.